morning, guys. This is vlog 7. You're on Phon-Er. My name is Ari, last name Gold, Ari Gold. I'm here to show you what's going on today with Phon-Er business mobile on the go house call repair for iPhones anywhere within 4-mile range within LA County and greater areas. So today we are right now on our way to Vernon, California to fix an iPhone 7 and iPhone 6s Plus. It's gonna be like I mean, we don't do so many 7s because they're just new, but it's gonna be one of our second, third 7s that we're doing, and it's gonna be fun. We're looking forward to it. I am actually, and I have my own business, and I'm the only person right now because I don't have a lot of techs that are savvy enough to actually do the same job that I do. Since customer service lacks these days. Many repairs, also a good engineer does as well, so it's hard to find. Like, anyways, I don't want to stay off on the subject, but we are on our way to Vernon, the Golden West Meat Group. On our way to fix an iPhone 7 and a 6s Plus, and it's gonna be fun. We'll put everything on video so you can see how it works. It's gonna be totally psychotic. Not even a word. Who cares, right? We're just saying whatever we feel because we just chill like that. Yeah, cool. Alright, guys, alright, peeps, I'll keep you in the loop. Stay tuned to be entertained. And that's tuned, part of the entertain and tune remix together on the drop of the hat. Okay. See you guys soon. Talk to you soon. Be good at it, and we will be back with the repair. See you guys soon. Guys, we're almost there. We're exactly 1.9 miles away from the Golden West, which is where our repair site is this morning. Be there in the next 5 minutes, 6 minutes actually. And you'll see where I'm at, and I'll keep you tuned and in the loop of the repairs that I do, so you can see how it goes down in Phon-Er.com, your mobile service for repair.
In half a mile,
house
right
call.
turn onto Grand Vista Avenue.
Hey guys, I want to share with you something. It's so funny. I was watching a video yesterday. It was the iPhone 7, the repair. Okay, so and then this one
The
person.
route guidance is now finished.
Hey, this one person commented like at the bottom like, hey, after watching this video, I'm gonna repair my phone permanently. And I mean, that was very stupid and funny, but and then this one guy literally had the nerve to say, hey, that's retarded because you cannot fix your phone permanently because it's gonna break eventually. And I was just dying. I was like, how do you respond to that? It's like, just like literally like pointing out that the person was retarded for saying that or stupid. Retarded in a funny way, not in a bad way. So no offense to anybody that is born retarded, and full respect to them. You know, I was like, it's so funny. I mean, I'll post it right here so you'll see it. It's just too funny. That part is, I even did a screenshot. I was like, I have to share this because it's so retarded and funny, you know? Cool screenshot. Hey guys, I'm here, so I'm gonna take this off now. The guy just got my parts down, locking it in. 2 phones on its way. Lock the car, make sure it's fine. Actually, maybe get a little bit of cologne just to smell good. I already put my Swagger body spray, but I use Gucci Made to Measure. It's like my most favorite cologne forever. I'm using it for the past 2.5 years, 3 years actually. Before that it was what was it before? I think it was Gucci again, or was it? I think it was the same thing. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Okay, so let's do this. Here is where I am. You see they have the Jack Daniel's meats, and then here's the this is the owner's car. I think super nice. It's a Ghost. I think the Ghost. It's a Rolls Royce. Look how beautiful that is. Beautiful. That's my car one day. Super sick, huh? Hey, the super sick car. I'm gonna get that car one day. You'll see, guys. You'll see it. You'll see my peeps. Love, love. Hey. How are you? Good. Hey, Maria. Okay. I mean, it wasn't even me. It was the camera saying hey. So don't judge. That guys is our friend Jack Daniels. He's saying what up. Say what up. What up? What up? Totally messed up. This is the barrel that they pretty much put the meat in, transfer, you know, or other stuff. It makes me think of like the prohibition times. That's Mac. Guys, here's my station that I just did. I'm at the cafeteria. Do this. I got the news screen. Look what I found here. It's so nice. It's a mosque. Little person. Gotta go, guys. Bye. Okay, we're out. I'm gonna drive home now, and then I will keep you in the loop on my next repair, and I'll show you around. Today we picked iPhone 6s Plus and iPhone 7, and the 7 was my first one doing it. I'll be honest. 7 Plus I've done it before, so but it was less complicated than the 7 Plus, so that was cool. Okay, thank you. Cut.